In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off double opt-in in Klaviyo. Before we jump in, a quick note on what this means. Double opt-in requires new subscribers to confirm their email address through a follow-up email before they're added to your list. It's great for list quality, but it can reduce conversions because some people never click the confirmation. Single opt-in adds subscribers right away, which can help you grow faster, but you'll want to keep an eye on list health. With that context, let's make the change. Start by logging into your Klaviyo dashboard. From the main navigation, open the audience section. This is where all of your lists and segments live. Next, choose lists and segments. You'll see a table of your existing lists. If you have a lot to sort through, use the search bar to find a specific list by name. You can also narrow things down with filters. Tags are helpful if you organize lists by purpose, campaign, or region, and the All Types dropdown lets you display only lists, only segments, or both. Use whichever method makes it easiest to locate the exact list you want to modify. Once you've found the list, click its name to open it. Inside the list view, head to the Settings tab. In Settings, look for the Consent section. This area controls how people are added to the list and what confirmation steps they need to take. Within Consent, find the opt-in process setting. You'll see options for double opt-in and single opt-in. To turn off double opt-in for this list, select single opt-in. Klaviyo will apply the change to this specific list. Depending on your account's interface, the change may save automatically, or you may see a prompt to confirm or save. If you do, just confirm the update. A few tips as you finish up. The opt-in process is configured per list, so if you manage multiple lists and want the same behavior everywhere, repeat these steps for each one. This change affects new subscribers going forward. It won't retroactively alter past signups. If you're switching to single opt-in, consider adding safeguards like form validation, a CAPTCHA on high-traffic forms, or monitoring for sudden spikes in low-quality signups to protect deliverability. Also remember that certain third-party forms or integrations may have their own consent settings, so make sure they're aligned with your list's configuration. That's it. You've turned off double opt-in by selecting single opt-in in the list's consent settings. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to adjust another list.